Welcome to Tricky Math with Rekha. Today, we are diving into an exciting majestic treasure quest. Ready to learn column addition and subtraction like never before? So, let's begin. Look, our brave math venturers are on a quest to find the magic book. But wait, they just discovered 2 bags of gold coins after entering the magical forest. One bag has 10,238 coins and the other bag has 35,461 gold coins. So how many coins did they find in all? Let's see how can we find out the total number of gold coins. To find out the total number of gold coins, we will do addition. For that, step 1, write both numbers in columns and align each digit carefully under its place value, like ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundreds, like that. You get it. After aligning the digits, we will do the addition. So now in step 2, we will add the numbers to get the total number of coins. Start adding from the ones place, then move to left, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. After adding, we get a total of 45,699 gold coins. So the total gold coins they have in all is 45,699. Isn't it a great treasure? But wait, there's a toll ahead. To pass through the ancient ruins, they must pay 13,245 coins. After paying the toll, how many coins do they have left? Let's find out how many coins they will have left. So, to find out the leftover coins, we will do subtraction. For that, again, write the numbers in columns and align digits according to their place value. After writing the digits according to their place value, we can subtract both the numbers to find the answer. So now in step 2, we will do the subtraction to find the leftover gold coins. So start subtracting from the ones place and then move to left. So after subtraction, we get 32,424 gold coins. So they are left with 32,424 gold coins after paying a toll fee of 13,245 gold coins. Still a good amount of treasure, right? Finally, the math ventures have reached the magic book, but to unlock its seal, they must solve these problems. 14,020 plus 22,090, 56,000 minus 12,400. And the easy tip to solve this question is regrouping. It means when you will add, you will use carryover when your answer is in 2 digit, and if you subtract and you get a small number on top, you will do borrowing. So, after doing the regrouping with addition, you get the answer 36,110, and when you use the regrouping as borrowing in subtraction, you get 43,600 as your answer. Now, to start a new mathematic adventure, you need a map that cost 17,824 gold coins. If you have 15,955 gold coins, how many more coins do you need? So, use regrouping to find your answer and share it in the comment section below. Great job, math venturers. You have mastered column addition and subtraction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.